Hi, I'm Janelle Lamb, and I founded Straighten Up Home because I've been a professional organizer for the last 7 years. And one of the things that I've always had a hard time with is finding products that were exactly what I was looking for. It's super important that the items that you use in your home for organizing are super high quality. And so I really wanted to create products that take your home to the next level, which is what I bring as a professional organizer to my clients. And now I can bring it to your homes by creating products that I have just poured my heart and soul into.